So, got a little announcement. I'm going to be doing classes again down at Turner's Warehouse in Phoenix, coming up quick. So the dates are March 20th and 21st. That's a Friday and Saturday. And we're going to be doing one-on-one classes on Friday, and then we're going to do beginning resin casting classes on Saturday. So if you want to get in on the one-on-ones, there's only 2 spots available on Friday. So that's going to be, let me double check my notes, noon and 2 p.m. are the time slots. Only 2 available. You definitely want to get those reserved ASAP. And then the time slots on Saturday for the beginning resin casting classes, we have one at 10 a.m. and one at 1:30 p.m. We thought we'd do one in the morning, one in the afternoon, so it'll hopefully fit your schedule. Those classes tend to fill up really fast as well, so we decided to do 2 of them this time. And the beginning resin casting classes are kind of like a lecture style. I cover everything that you need to know to get up and running with casting, you know, so you can get in your shop and start having some fun. So it's a pretty in-depth class. We cover a lot of stuff, but it'll help you kind of get going. So a lot of people enjoy that class. And then the other thing that we're going to do Friday evening at around 4 p.m., I guess afternoon, evening, 4 p.m., we're going to be doing a meetup. So, you know, I know a lot of people don't necessarily want to take classes or need to take resin casting classes, but you'd probably like to kind of come and hang out and socialize a little bit. So we're going to do a little bit of a get-together at Turner's Warehouse, 4 p.m. Chad's going to get some pizzas, I think, or, you know, whatever. He's going to have some food. There's going to be people, so I hope to see you guys out there at the meetup for sure, and definitely if you want to take some classes, I hope to see you out there for those. So all the information, or more information, I guess, is on Chad's website, turnerswarehouse.com. That's where you go to sign up for the classes. So I'll have a link down in the description, the show notes below, exactly where you need to go for each one of the classes. Again, don't hesitate if you really want to take a class. It's better to get your spot reserved early because these things tend to fill up really fast. So anyway, I can't wait to see everybody down in Phoenix. I always love those trips. It's a good one. If you want to travel to Phoenix and you're a baseball fan, you got the Cactus League in full effect right now. So you can get some spring training games going, and you can get some resin casting. It's a pretty good little vacation. So anyway, if you want to get out there, definitely head over to turnerswarehouse.com and reserve your spots. So I guess I'll see you guys all down in Phoenix.